What up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me. Ta-da! This is my sister.
I am his aunt actually.
Whatever. Wait. Okay, so today we are going to Chikmagaluru.
And we are so excited. We have
My brother Mohit and Supriya. And this is my father, Guru. He's driving the car, so let's not disturb. Okay, so today is my lucky day because we are going to the resort and my sister is like all ready to sleep.
yes.
But
I have come prepared.
But I pulled her to make the video. So today what we will be doing is when we go to Chikmagaluru, we'll enjoy at the resort today and then tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will explore Chikmagaluru and
For next 3 days.
yeah, for next 3 days we will.
So we are excited.
My brother is already starting.
We'll also be shortly making a pit stop for breakfast.
Yeah, and then we'll go to the resort directly from there. And see, my brother is already craving for snacks. We have left our house. We left our house just 5 minutes ago, and he's already craving for snacks. Guys.
Paid puja first, then everything else.
Yeah, and then once we reach at the restaurant, we will start.
We'll get back to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Ta-da!
Bye bye. See you at the restaurant. What's up, guys? ನಾವು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ವಡಾನಿ.
Separate. And now we are Tanush. Who is that?
ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಅಶೋಕ ತಾತ. Yes, ಅವರು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Hello.
Say hi to our channel.
ಬಂದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಹಿಂದೆನೆ.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ.